taking your little girl, your most precious thing in the world, on the back of your motorcycle can be really, really scary. So we're going to go through it. We're going to go through the first time of me taking my little girl on the back of my bike. Let's see how this turns out. Cue the intro.
What are you doing?
I'm just going to pull the bike out and give it a quick clean. Why?
I want to go on the back.
No, you're too little.
Please let me go on the back.
No, 100% not. No, you're not going on the back.
Go on, Dad, please.
Like I said, when you're able to get your feet on the pegs and hold on really tight, you can go on the back. It's as simple as that.
Okay. Let's ride.
Oh, okay. I'm going to get in trouble for this. All right, Ellie, what we're going to do is you're going to get on the back first, okay, in a minute. And then and then when you put your feet on here, there's a hot exhaust on the other side. So you don't put your foot on that. Make sure your foot's on the pegs the whole time. I'll show you. It's just around here. You want your foot on this peg, okay? Not on this bit here, okay? And then at any point you want to stop, you tap, 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 and we'll stop, okay? Okay, madame. It's heavy with your helmet. Yeah, look, I'm going to pull this down a bit, okay? Okay? Put your bum back, and you can snuggle in a second, alright? Pull my trousers up because I'm so skinny. Whoa, big moment, eh? Here we go, darling. Here we go. So my plan is to take us literally down some nice local, very slow country roads. We're going to go for a drink at the pub and we're going to come back, and that's it. Sorry? Hold on to me now. Got me? You ready? Well, here we are. My little angel on the back. She's holding on really nice and tight. When I started up, all I was like, oh, because it's a very loud bike. But we are just taking it nice and easy. A lovely little country lane. I come down and film a lot of reviews and stuff down this way, and it's not massively far, and it's just pretty. It's out of the way, and it's super quiet, so we can poodle as much as we want. But this is a lovely, magical feeling. And what's very important is what I've already said. If anyone's thinking of doing this, is just make sure, please make sure that their feet can touch the pegs. They're at the age where they understand that holding on is really, really, really important. They have that special code of tapping you to tell you to stop, and you can ask them what's wrong. But most of all, enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment, because it is seriously, seriously special. And we get to do this, keep this memory forever. And I reckon she's going to be one of those little inspiring adventure girls that's going to come in the back with her dad for a long time yet on some really cool adventures, because she's got that adventure soul. She wants to go out, she wants to explore, she wants to do things. Last year she asked me to take her on holiday and climb Snowdon, and we kind of caught the train up and walked down. But that's what she wanted. She went, I want to go to Snowdon, Daddy, I want to go Snowdon, Daddy, I want to go Snowdon, Daddy, I want to go Snowdon, Daddy. And I went, okay, we're going to Snowdon. So it's all good. But this is magical and this is special, and I feel really, really happy. So we've just gone for a very little ride, but what's your first thoughts? You're holding on the back, you're doing exactly what you're supposed to do. What's your first thoughts on it?
It's loud.
Is it loud? Really loud?
Definitely.
And how did you find it? We're going around the bends and things, and it was moving from left to right.
It kept feeling a bit weird at sometimes.
But what's most important? Most important of all, is it fun?
Yes.
Is it a lot of fun?
Definitely.
Do you want to keep going?
Yeah.
Should we go to the pub and get a beer? Okay, should we get you a appetizer?
Yeah.
Let's go. And hop on. You got it. You're good at this. Huh? Sorted? Are you ready? Yeah. On your marks, get set, go. No, wait. Go. Ah. All right, pub Ellie. Let's go to the pub, Ellie. Just need to turn the bike on first. Are you ready? So what I've done is we've ridden up and down here doing a bit of camera work, but generally just hanging around really quiet road. This really is not very far at all, maybe 5 miles ish from where I live, maximum I'd say. I had a little poodle because I just know how peaceful and quiet this road is. And then we're going to go up here and we're going to go to the pub, but she's doing so well. She's only 8 years old and she's so sensible. She's more grown up than I ever was, probably even at the age of 15, 16. She's still, even at 8. You alright? You alright? She gave me a little tap then, but I don't think she meant to. But when she got off the bike, honestly, smile, ear to ear to ear. Absolutely loving it. And it's lovely because she's such an adventurer. What I'm hoping is that we can do some proper adventures. Obviously at the moment while we're filming this, we've just started October, and what that actually means is the weather's about to drop and get rubbish. Now we sometimes get some nice time in October, and I'm going to invest in a little bit more stuff for it if we do go on a proper adventure. But more than likely I'll have to wait till next year when we've got some good sunshine, because I don't want to get cold. No matter what, as a parent, the one thing you want to do is look after them, and they're precious, and you know you don't want them to be uncomfortable or not enjoy it. Hence today is very much that, a little poodle, 5 miles or so. We're going to ride down the road to this nice little country pub. We're going to grab ourselves a little drink. I'll probably get us something to eat, so about lunchtime. Spend a bit of quality time together and go back. Now for my situation, it's probably a lot different to some, and probably the same as many. I have loads of kids, loads and loads of lovely kids, and now Elle is 8 and she is pretty much the middle child in age. And now I've taken her on the back. All I got when I walked through the door, and when I said I'm going to take her, was I want to go on the back, I want to go on the back, I want to go on the back. But I'm sticking to my very, very big rules. It's a no till you can fit on the bike properly. And they're at that age where they understand that they've got to hold on tight. I know I keep saying it and I'm just telling everyone how to suck eggs, but at the end of the day, it's very, 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 very important for me that I put that message across. Anyway, we're going to get to the pub. We're going to have a cheeky little, I'm going to have a cheeky little non-alcoholic beer. My little daughter's going to have a little apple juice or apple tie. She's going to grab her a burger. We're going to spend some quality time together, have a giggle, and then I'm going to head back. And that's just it. That's just a little teaser for today, done and dusted. Not too far, not too much. And then we'll try going a little bit further afield maybe next time. Maybe going, you know, probably 15 miles away, 20 miles away, visit somewhere and then come back, and then build that little adventure up of her so she gets more and more comfortable, more happy. Because last thing I want to do is take her like blasting it down a main road at sort of 60-70 miles an hour, and she's not grasped every point of it. But she's like a natural. She's on the back, she's holding on tight, she's enjoying the view, she's smiling, and that's all that matters. And it's precious. It's a memory that you're never ever going to forget, the first time you take your child on the back. And that first spark, because you're basically sparking the fire in them about motorcycles and adventures, and I know she's going to be an adventurer. I already know that from the way that she behaves and the way what she says, and this is going to hopefully be, you know, such a positive experience. It's the next generation of bikers there, and she is going to be one cool badass biker, without a doubt. One cool badass biker. Anyway, pub and then home. So Ellie, now we've done our little ride and we've stopped at the pub and we've ordered you a burger. No, not burger, meatballs actually, and pasta. What was your favourite bit about riding the bike?
How it moves.
Well, it zigs and zags along.
Yeah.
And what's your worst bit? What's the bit you don't like the most?
It hurts my hands quite a bit.
Is that from holding on tight or just the vibrations?
Holding on tight.
Bless you. We don't have to hold on as tight. You can let go a little bit. You do hold on super tight. But it's your first ever ride, and the more you ride, the more you relax, the more you're going to enjoy it. But you're excited about the food?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Let's eat our food, let's chill out, and then we're going to go home. But thank you for coming with me. You did really, really well. I'm really, really proud, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm going to take the bike back. I am going to give it a clean. I have promised my other daughter, one of my other daughters, that's slightly younger than this one, that I'm going to take her out for dinner tonight. So it's a big day. But anyway, Elle, is it good?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Shall we depart? Oh, here we go. Hold on. Oh yeah, this bike is cool, very, very cool. So, well, it's not very far until we go home, and it's just a little ride out, a little taster. And I said to her, I was like, oh, do you want to come out again? We'll obviously build up to it, but do you want to come on a big bike adventure? And she said, yes, Daddy, I'll go on a big bike adventure, but as long as we stop a lot. If we're riding all day, I don't want to go. I was like, right, okay, well, we'll be stopping for a bit of food and fuel. They said we can ride around some mountains and things, and she was like, yeah, okay, I'll do that as long as we stop at some nice places to get some food, because we just stopped a really, really nice pub. She's so cute, bless her. But anyway, we're going to head home now. I'm going to give her a big cuddle when I get back, tell her how proud I am of her, and do you know what, I'll never forget this day. It's been fantastic. And the one thing I will say a million times over, and you would have seen me taking some of my other kids on the bike before, was that if you're worried about it, as long as they're sensible, take it easy, take them somewhere where you're not going to go massively quick, keep away from main roads and stuff like that. Make the memories, because they're our future generation. And she's now gets to go, do you know what, I used to go on the back of the bike with my dad, we used to ride around on his Harley, and she'll always smile, and it's a memory that we've created together, and it's a memory that you, if you've got a child and you're thinking about it, you can do. Just keep it safe, take your time, don't rush, and just enjoy every single second, because trust me, I have many children, and my oldest is 16, and you would have seen that in a recent father and son adventure where we took this bike on a crazy adventure, having an awesome time. But they grew up quickly, and before you know it, they won't want to be on the back of you, they'll be riding their own bike next year. That's the plan anyway. But anyway, enjoy every moment, do it, take it easy, and just have a hell of a lot of fun. Anyway, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, all that usual stuff that we say, because it really helps. And if you could take the time to leave a nice little comment, a thumbs up, and even better, share this video somewhere in a Facebook group, on social media or somewhere, because that's what sparks the algorithm, and that's what makes the channel grow. And a huge thank you to my patrons, because we're in difficult times and they're there supporting me all the way. And of course, we'll soon make another crazy bonkers episode, and it will be out. It's always on Patreon first, but it will be out with all of you guys soon. So thank you for watching, and take care. Have a great day. Bye bye for now.
Oh baby, I love